sounds like evidence that it will never be never the same, that you won't go faster. Oh, love is easy as easy as calling my name, but you run forevermore. One step in the avenue and 2 steps backwards when I see her looking at me too. Standing there and dry up myself. And she said something about us. I said that I was here for something new, and maybe breathe again. But she said there was another useless reason to talk about me and her. And I should think about myself. It sounds like evidence, but I'm just doing the best that I can as I'm going under. I feel alone and there's still lots of things to learn. So why can't I do 1 step in the avenue and 2 steps backwards when I see her looking at me too? I never thought I could try out myself, consumed to see her with somebody else. And she said something about us.